Okay, this is a quick impromptu video. Apologies for the mess, but it's still everywhere after yesterday's live stream. The reason for this video is yesterday on the live stream I had some issues with the module not passing the IF signal. I've done a little bit of research, I've read through the schematics, and I've also dug out another module from another 404 that Sean actually sent me up, and sure enough, when I drew my little diagram of where the wires went for the transistors, I actually got it wrong. I put the collectors side by side where they're clearly not. They're wrong. So I've got one of my transistors is actually in wrong, and it is this one. So I've got the collector and the emitter reversed. So I'm going to take that one out. I'm going to leave the camera rolling as I do this because what an idiot I am, really. All that work and effort. I thought it would be something straightforward, to be honest. I didn't think there was much wrong that I'd done. So I spent the whole yesterday evening going through the schematic and racking my brain as to what could be wrong. There's either something gone wrong in that first IF can, or it was me putting the transistors in wrong, and I just had a funny suspicion that I put the transistors in wrong, and sure enough, I had. This one's not going to come out now, isn't it? So we know these transistors are good because I've tested them. No issues. If I can get the thing back out again. Come on. Come out, please. Don't be nasty to me. Just that one there didn't want to come out for some reason. So you just need so many hands for these jobs. There it is. Right, that's my transistor. So basically, these two legs are crossed. So somehow I need to rejig it like that. So I don't think the video length on this phone is that long, so it may well have to do it in a couple hits this. I'll try and edit it together, you never know. So we've got base, shield. Sure that's right. Let's have a look at this one a minute. Don't want to get it wrong yet again. Okay, yeah, that is definitely the right way. So this is still the Russian transistors. I was tempted to put in AF117s, but sorry, 127s. I refrained. I'm going to stick with these. For one, is just to see if they actually work in the circuit. They should do. And get back in the holes. Come on. Right, that looks better. As usual, the traces aren't brilliant, but that's the beauty of this lovely board, which is horrible. Right, so let's get this one soldered in. Tempted to hotwire it, but I don't think I'm going to gain anything by doing that. I'm fairly confident that's going to sort it now. Yeah, fairly confident that's going to sort it. So can in theory get that back in the radio. Right. So one with the cutouts in it. So I've got to take these pins out again, unfortunately. What I'm trying to do is just push these in and heat the pad up to allow the pin to go through. Then in theory I should be able to grab on the other side and just push them through now. That's good, they all seem to have caught very nicely. Just put a little bit of flux on to finish them off. should do. Let me just put another little tiny bit of flux on this end. Okay, ready to go back in the radio. Okay, let's make sure you can see this. Let's move it forward a bit. So I'm just in the process of stitching this all back together. Put the extractor on. And the last one. So let's have a look. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of epoxy in the corners of this one just to hold it in place later. For the time being, that should be fine to test it. Let's make sure everything's touching anything. Fingers very much crossed now. As I say, I'll pop this video out shortly so you can have a very quick update on the state of play, and then on the live stream the weekend we'll do some of the alterations, like the current adjustments and that, well, assuming it works. So let's make sure that you're in the shot. Let's go up a little bit. There we are. So there's our module back in. Let's hit the power on. Fingers crossed.
Murder in Exeter last week has been remanded in custody at the City Crown Court today. Alexander Lewis Manuel, who is no fit
against Jewish people in its ranks. And it is for these reasons and many more that I have made this decision today.
Mr. Corbyn said he was
the world. They are launching a new political party.
Okay, well that was some medium wave, and as you can hear it's working very well now. So what an idiot I am for putting in the transistors the wrong way around. Incidentally, this other module, the reason that one wasn't working is one of the transistors has had it, so apologies if I just mentioned that, but I did lose a bit of footage then. So yeah, one of these transistors is just shown as a double diode rather than a proper transistor junction. So I don't know whether Sean zapped it, but it's no good. So I will refurb that module. I can use that one for another radio at some stage. Right, so let's hit it on long wave. Just got a dodgy switch.
total lie, of course. Even making it onto the long list had been your life's ambition, and the previous year, when Douglas Sherman had come close to winning, you'd almost lost your mind with envy.
It's working.
In a way, it would be like the completion of the circle.
It needs new grommets on the tuning cap, but again, that's a job we can do next week. So there you are. That was just a quick quick update, just for you to join me really to show you that due to my own error it didn't work yesterday, but it is back up and running. So anyway, we'll put this one to one side and we'll finish it off on next Sunday's live stream. So thanks for that. If you like that, give me a thumbs up and join me again on Sunday for more fun. Bye for now.